Okay, hello guys, and I'm going to have a tour for my dollhouse. First, this is my restroom. Um, it's just little things because I have already done first the bedroom. So, this is my dog, and it's made from pipe cleaner. So this is my um this is a tissue. It's only a tissue, and I made it a bed for my dog. So here we go. So I made a file, and wait, I will show you. So this is my iPad and my folder. Look at that. And I have my files here. Okay. And it's also my folder, but there's nothing inside. This is the best folder I ever made. And this is my file. You can open, close it. And now I'm gonna show you my surfing board. So as you see, this is just made from a cardboard, and I cover it by construction paper. Okay, this is my surfing board, and this is my shoes. Look at that. And this is my bunny ears, and I make this in the Miniature Fashionista, because all the video of Miniature Fashionista is all I've ever watched. It's very awesome. Now I've got a headset for my baby doll. Later I will show you my baby dolls. Look at that. It's so artist. I made it from a pipe cleaner and it's done. Now I'm gonna show you my headset. It's long, and it have a MP3, and it connect with a headset. Look at that. It's so nice. Now I made a camera that is just filled with a cardboard. At the back, there's no design. I have my little pink camera. It's for my baby dolls. And so, this is my backpack, and just made from construction paper, and it's filled with the books. I just made it for myself. I didn't search anything in movie, so it's awesome. Okay, I have my DS. Made it from my cardboard, and my PSP. Look at that. It's just a cardboard and a construction paper. I'll make a video on how to make a PSP and a DS. So this is food of my doll, and I made it. When I eat Oreo, I remember that just to make it a food for my doll. So I make it from a cardboard, and I just wrap it. and have my sneakers. Look at that. It's just the same. And I cover it with aluminum foil with a cardboard. And then a Kit Kat. This is my favorite. And the Bueno Kinder. I just throw the chocolate as I don't want it. And then my How Flake. Just make it like this. So I'm gonna tell you what's inside of my wallet. I have my wallet and I have my mini ATM. Look at that. And so Citibank like that. And now I have my shopping bag. So in the Froggy stuff, I watch all the videos of my Froggy stuff because it's nice. It's amazing and I know how to make it. It's just simple as you know. And now this is my luggage. I just cut a construction paper and paste it at the round tape I made it for my luggage. Instead of square, I just made a circle so that it's not the same in the other one. So I just put my things here. And now this is the pet house, I think. And this is my pet's toy. And just round and I tape it like this. And now I made my mop. Oh, sorry about that. Now this is my mop. I just didn't know how to make it. So I'm just inspired by my Froggy stuff and my broom. I just walked in the street and I found like this. And I remembered that my Froggy stuff, it can make a broom for my Barbie doll. So it's done. I will tour you in my bedroom with my baby dolls. So hope you like. Okay, so this is the bedroom. And this is the mother. She is Chloe. Okay. So this is the bed of Chloe, and for the baby, I'm gonna show you where the baby is. Okay. And before that, I will show you the desk. Okay. So this is the desk. This is diaper and a blanket, I think. And this is the phone. Just get it, and I made it, and I'm inspired by my miniature fashionista. And this is my pencil, and so I made my dresser, which is full of a dress. And so this is my baby dolls. And this is Sophie. And this is Alexandra. I put them on a crib that I only make it by a cardboard of a cereal box. And I inspired by my Frog stuff. Now I'm gonna show you what's inside of that. Okay, so this is a fabric, and I put a little felt and a paper, so it's like filled with paper inside and fabric. That's just my crib. So I will tour you in my restaurant, but it's not done. But I'm going to make it when I found a cardboard and make it a table and a chair. So this is my restaurant. This is a cereal. And oh my god. Oh! Sorry. And this is my corn and my soup and my ice cream. And this is my food display that I made from my Froggy stuff. And this is my sushi. I don't know what's this. So, this is my ice cream pop. I made 2 of them. And I have my ice cream. It's not a pop, it's ice cream. Okay, so make a nachos, I think, because I already know what's the name, but I forgot it. And I made it from the Miniature Fashionista and this one, the egg and the bacon and the pizza. It's nice. Miniature Fashionista teach me how to make all of these food. Miniature Fashionista is the good. She is a good. I don't know. She is a good teacher, or I don't think so. She's only a child. So that's all. Thank you for your
Watching.
for your tour with my house with me, and hope you comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.